So myself, Dr. Madhur Rathi, and I came across this course on relationship counseling by ICHARS because I had earlier attended a sleep counseling course, and I honestly liked it so much. It has been a very amazing experience. Some of the things were there which I knew, but my biggest takeaway was the way the whole system is put into place. How to work with one client, how to work with two clients together. I mean, both partners together. Because I knew bits and pieces which I was using in the way I was. I'm a psychiatrist and a therapist. So whatever I was doing, I was using bits and pieces of the knowledge that I have. But one of the biggest takeaway for me has been the way the entire system has been put into structure. And another thing is that you yourself go through the whole process while you are understanding every smallest of the things. So honestly, I think this would bring a huge change to every other relationship that you have in life, as well as if you are looking to become a counselor, then I think this is one of the best thing that you can come across, where everything is put into place in a proper structure, so you don't have to go back anywhere else to look out. So I definitely recommend you to experience this relationship counseling certificate course.
All right, thanks so much. So, what was one thing that stayed with you, Mother, throughout the course? Like anything in particular?
One thing that stayed with me throughout the course, I think there are so many things for me to take. Uh, there is this cost benefit analysis, then there is this the different types of sexualities, physical and emotional. That thing is there. Then the way we are coming to a common mutual program for the clients together, because I have done relationship counseling earlier based on whatever coaching and counseling I knew, but I was finding that I'm not able to, like, up to the mark. You get that vibe your own self key. Probably it's not getting up to the mark. Now I know exactly how to start it, how to close it, how to bring it to the closure and not extend unnecessarily, and when to go for individual, when to make it call it a day. So I think that is one of the biggest thing for me. I'm honestly looking for structures because I'm just starting in the field of therapy. So I'm actually looking for structures. I do have knowledge from different places, different books and all, but nowhere you come to know the actual practically kaha kaise structure use karna hai. So that is the thing that is a biggest takeaway for me. How in a set of 5 6 sessions we are actually putting it in a bracket and not letting anything be left out while it's only that set number of sessions.
All right, thank you, Mother.
Yeah.
Who's going to go next? I'll pin that person.
I'll go.
Can I leave?
Yes, Mother. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you so much. I'll connect with you again because I need some clarity about other two courses that I'm again looking
Sure.
to connect. I'll
All
connect with Gauri or I'll drop you a message.
sure.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Who's going? Pranaya, you're going, right?
Yeah.
1 second, hold on.
So this is the very first time I'm connected with ICHARS, and this is the first time I'm doing something online, doing course online. So I was very hesitant if shall I go or not, because I don't know, if, shall I, will I understand or not. And then Misbah ma'am have, from the start to the end, have taught in a very structured manner. So it has given me a very new picture about online classes. And I am a clinical psychologist. My name is Pranaya. I should tell this before, but I've just forgot it. So I do counseling and therapy with patients, but the relationship counseling was one of the tricky thing for me. And always whenever a couple come to me and I'm like, okay, how to do it, like how exactly I do what I used to do with individual clients, but it doesn't work that way. Like I have experienced this. But once I have done this course now, and for like past 4 days, I have learned so much, like I have never heard these things before. So I'm very sure that these are very useful things in dealing with couples, and for myself also, in our day-to-day life, we deal with many relationships in our life, and the things I've learned here are very useful, and if I apply it, there will be very much easy way. And yes, that's it. I want to thank Ms. Ma'am for teaching us so well. and like making me understand through online course, like it's a big deal. And I guess it was you, that's why it was possible. So thank you so much.
Thank you. It was because of all of you, joint effort. All right. Thank you. Pranaya, who's going next?
Ma'am, can I go?
Who's that? Go ahead. Yeah.
My name is Tia, and I am a college student. I'm still pursuing my undergraduate studies, and I have done a course with ICHARS before, which was amazing, and I learned so much things that I still like remember. And this course in specific, I think I've learned like that. I can't pinpoint one or two things that I've learned. It's just a general mindset and like a general way of looking at people, like even though you're trying to understand or put them in slots of like physical sexuality or emotional sexuality, there's still that flexibility of some people can be a certain way in certain situations. So just being aware of that and being able to understand that in any daily conversation, any daily interaction would help a lot in friendships and relationships, even with your parents and whatever. So all these small things that I've learned about cost benefit analysis or even communication styles, love languages, all of these things, I'm sure like I knew them a little bit, but not like everyone said in a very structured way, or not like particular types and a particular way of showing love or showing uh, communicating. So that has helped a lot. And thank you so much, Ms. Ba ma'am, for being an amazing facilitator.
Thank you. Who's going next?
I can go next, but is it okay with the mask?
Yeah, it's okay.
Hi everyone. My name is Dr. Shraddha Humnabadkar, and I'm a homeopathic physician and expressive arts therapist. And being with a medical professional while dealing with the patients, I always feel and I realize that it is important that medicine always goes with a message. And when it comes to couple counseling, it is really important to understand the dynamics, how to deal with them, and what are the dynamics between them. We just cannot go casual talking or casual message really does not work in this area. So I was really glad while I was going through Instagram. I came through this iCharts, and I really went through all the courses, and this was something which clicked to me. And very beautifully, all information was being shared to me through the contact person, and wonderful and amazing, insightful course which was being conducted by Misbah. And I'm taking a lot of messages from this course, because there are many new things I have picked up from this course. And most important is it is quite practical oriented, and it's like the piece of cake has been given to you, and that you just have to implement. The recipe ingredients are all with you, and you just have to apply it in your regular practice. So I'm really thankful, and it was a wonderful 4 days journey with you in this couple counseling workshop. And thanks a lot. Thanks. And looking forward to do some more courses with you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. Who's going next?
Ma'am, I will go.
Okay, Bandita. Yes, Bandita, you can start.
Uh, Hello everyone, this is Bandita. I'm a master's clinical psychology student. I'm a psychology blogger too. Actually, before I have done a course with Ms. Ba ma'am, and that was really insightful and it was very easy to understand. So I came up for this relationship counseling because being a human, we are in lots of relationship. So first, when it comes to self, also we need to understand about ourselves, how we are in a relationship, how we are managing our relationship. So relationship counseling will help me in my own relationship, in my personal life, along with in my professional life, because I just want to be skillful before coming into the field of counseling. This made me gave me a lot of confidence. Now I can say yes, I can go for relationship counseling and I can help out people, those who really need this. I feel very confident. thanks a lot, Misbah ma'am, for making this so much easy to understand. It was really amazing before also and now also and further also. I'm looking for these amazing sessions. Thank you everyone and thank you, Misbah ma'am.
Thank you, Vandita. Yeah.
Hello everyone. My name is Prathama. I'm a final year psychology student from Amity. I'm doing applied psychology. So the best thing, my takeaway from each of the days were the first day, which we were talk about. We taught about evolution. That really incited me as to why people are like this and how certain mindsets may have still not evolved, or it may be progressive still in some people. And the second one was how in the first session only you can either decide if you want to continue or you want to move out. In the third in the second session you kind of the problem statement, the outcome statement, and everything was put into place by the fifth session. The two people know what they want, and even through themselves and from the other person. So everything was in place, like the pieces were beautifully put together, in my opinion. So this is what I liked about this, and I, as always, like the ICHARS courses have been good, referring to my internship as well. And thank you, ma'am, for making this so easy for all of us.
Thank you. And